Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, taking care of yourself. This video lecture is for classes 4th and 5th. Subject reasoning, chapter number 31. Name of the chapter is series and pattern completion, and this is our lecture number 4. In today's lecture we will study about number series. Let me explain you. Question will be in the same way. Direction or instruction, it can be written. Complete this series by encircling the correct answer. 0, 1, 3, 6, 10 dash. Now you have to complete this series. 0 to 1, there is gap of 1. 1 to 3, gap of 2. 3 to 6, gap of 3. 6 to 10, 4. Now there should be gap of 5 numbers. So 10 plus 5, 15. So option is D. Got it? Two more examples I will explain you. See the next examples. 2, 40, 800, 16,000 dash. 2 to 20. What is the relation? 2 20s are 40. So it is multiple of 20. 40 multiplied 20, 800. 800 multiplied 20. So in each step we are multiplying by 20. 16,000 multiplied by 20. 16 twos are 32. And then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 and one more will become of 20. So your option D is correct. Next example, 50, 49, 47, 44, 40. 50 to 49, gap is of 1. Check the difference. 2, 3, 4. Next number must have the difference of 5. So the number can be 35. Answer is your option C. In this way you have to recognize the series. कहीं पर आपका डिफरेंस के जो नंबर्स हैं वो ऐड हो रहे होंगे, कहीं पे आपके सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे होंगे. कहीं मल्टीपल होगा, कहीं टेबल्स होंगी, कहीं 2 सीरीज होंगी. You have to recognize yourself. Now the 5 homework questions I will give you. Direction is same. Complete the series by encircling the correct answer. First question, 20, 2, 18, 4, 16, 6 and dash. You have to recognize this series and find the next number. Options are given A, B, C and D. Next question, question number 2, 55, 44, 33, 20 dash. Options are given. Option A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Third question, 9, 3, 18, 6, 27, 9 dash. 4 options are given. First option is 32, second is 36, third is 38 and fourth is 42. Choose the correct option. Question number 4. In this series, the digits are 2, 5, 4, 10, 6, 15 dash. And the options are 8, 18, 20, 22. You have to choose the correct one. Fifth question, 10, 12, 9, 11, 8. Beta, in the series 10, 12, then 9 is there. It means you have to recognize, is it one series or there are 2 series which are combined. Okay. Recognize carefully and then find the correct option. Options are 7, 5, 10 and 7. 7 is repeated 2 times. So you make it 17. You will do like this. 17, 5, 10 and 7. Right? Try these 5 questions. If any confusion, we will discuss in next lecture. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 3. 5 questions were there. Complete the series by encircling the correct answer. Dash PQB RSC TUD. First of all, say B, C, D. So A. Now PQ RS TU. Look here. PQ. Alphabets we have written. You have to write down this. PQ RS TU. So before PQ, the pair you have to select NO. Okay. So here NO. NOA. Option B. Got it? Question number 2. TFI KMP RTW. D. E is left. F. GH is left. I. K. L is left. M. NO is left. P. यानी कि पहले एक अल्फाबेट लीव किया फिर 2 अल्फाबेट्स लीव किए. Okay. And I. JK is left. J is left. K. P. Q is left. R. यानी कि नेक्स्ट में जाने से पहले एक अल्फाबेट लीव किया. सो W के बाद आप एक अल्फाबेट लीव करिए. X. So next will be Y. Now Z will be left. A. BC will be left. D. This is option A. Got it? Third question. CMG FPJ ISM. C. DE is left. F is there. GH is left. I is there. JK will be left. L will come. M. NO. NO को छोड़ करके P लिया. QR को छोड़ करके S. After S, TU. Check again. S के बाद आपको 2 अल्फाबेट्स लीव करने. TU. The next will be V. G. HI is left. J. KL is left. M. NO will left. P. It is option D. Question number 4. Look here, beta. D. D to F. E is left. F. I is left. No, G is left. H is there. So what will be left here? C will be left and B will be taken. B, C, D. Okay. Now second alphabet से series को check करिए. V, W, X, Y, Z. कहीं पे आपकी बैकवर्ड जा रही है, कहीं पे आपकी अल्फाबेट सीरीज फॉरवर्ड जा रही है. ओके. नाउ C, E, G, I फॉरवर्ड है. सो विच अल्फाबेट विल बी देयर? A will come. A. B is left. C. D is left. E. Got it? The A, C, then E, G, I. 3 series अलग अलग है आपकी combined की हुई. So your option is C, B, Z, A. Now say this. E, D, B, A, K, J, H, G. Reverse करके check करो. A, B. C is left. D, E. G, H. I is left. J, K. चेक करते हैं अपने ऑप्शन से चेक करते हैं. S, T, U, नो. T, S, नो. S, T, U is left. V, W, wrong. S, T के बाद एक अल्फाबेट आपको छोड़ना है. U, V, W. ऑप्शन D is correct. Understood? Here only one digit, one alphabet is changed, but it is wrong. I hope you have done all the answers correct. If no, revise again. That's all for today. Prepare well, like our videos, and kindly subscribe our videos and channel. Thank you.